And investors here on the local bourse reacted favorably to news of the rate reduction by the U.S. Federal Reserve, with stocks here maintaining their strong momentum. Our correspondent Park Jun-han covers the market reaction and more.
Following the U.S. Federal Reserve's first rate cut of the year on Wednesday, global stock markets, especially in Asia, including South Korea, continued to rise. The Fed indicated a median federal funds rate of 3.6% for the end of this year, suggesting 2 additional rate cuts are likely at the October and December Federal Open Market Committee meetings. Policymakers then projected a median interest rate of 3.4% at the end of 2026 and a long-term target rate to stay at around 3%. Global stocks either rebounded or set new record highs following the Fed's plans for long-term interest rate cuts. U.S. stock indexes such as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq dipped slightly on Wednesday ahead of the interest rate decision, but recovered most of their losses after the announcement. Asian stocks rose to previous all-time highs the following day as investors viewed the Fed's stance positively, with expectations outweighing concerns over an economic slowdown. South Korea's Kospi gained 1.4% to break another high at over 3,460 points, led by semiconductor stocks. Japan's Nikkei 225 also claimed another record as it climbed to over 45,300 at the market's close, boosted by export-related shares' strong performances. Following the interest rate decision, South Korean government agencies said that they would plan appropriate fiscal responses. An official from the Bank of Korea stated that due to the Fed's first rate cut in 9 months, it has become easier for it to operate monetary policy with a focus on domestic economic conditions, inflation, and financial stability. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Economy and Finance Koo Yoon-chul noted at a macro-financial meeting that global markets reacted largely in line with expectations to the Fed's rate cut, though sentiment was mixed as investors weighed the U.S. Fed chairman's remarks on lingering uncertainties. Koo also stressed that the ministry will closely monitor risks, respond swiftly if needed, and maintain constant communication with relevant agencies to ensure stability in the economy and financial markets. Park Jun-han, ArirangNews.